And I'm going to show you what the grease is. The storm at Michigan is really going really bad storms today. The rain just came again, so we must be careful about this rain. Every car needs to be safe and sound. If you're going to somewhere that's far away, you need to be safe and sound. Call somebody and tell them that you can tell them. Pray for them and be sure that they're safe and sound. And if you are going on a drive in Michigan, you can go here or here, anywhere. Or it's dancing. Or the cold water. You can go anywhere at all. But be careful by driving. If it's too long to go there, then tell somebody to pray for you. And if you're gonna be there really fast, then don't pray. It's okay. You can pray for somebody or not pray for somebody. The rain has been very bad today. It's been moving our cars back and forth. So, you must be careful from this rain. If this rain comes back again, you need to be careful around this rain. This snow rain is going to get bad. Any rain
$35.
Right now, 35 degrees.
Put it in the trash, please. No.
35 degrees.
Temperature.
Other places can be really cold, like all of this. This is hot, cold, and water. All over this world is water. All of this has mountains and cold. Hot, hot, hot. Cold. Warm there. Anywhere at all. And there's also so take it.